Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Yasir Airways. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and comments below. Just to give you a quick introduction, my name is Yasir and I currently work for an airline as cabin crew, and today I have a very special model which I'm going to unbox. As you can see, this is Norwegian airline. The reason I say this is a very special model for me because firstly I have worked for this airline before, and now I work for another airline, by the way, and I have worked as number 2, so I was operating as door number 2 here, and my first flight with this particular aircraft was to LA from Gatwick, London Gatwick. So I was based in London Gatwick. I have got this model from the place called Toy Studio, and it is based in Bangkok. When I went to Bangkok in February, and I got this model for as it says 1,650 Thai baht. I think it's about 40 UK pounds. It was a discounted product for me because I work for airlines, so that was very nice of him. As you can see, here is the price here. That was the original price. I got a bit of discount. As you can see, this is Norwegian airline Dreamliner, Boeing 787-9. And on this side it says it's the JC Wings product. So this is a JC Wings product, and this is not allowed for under 14, as it says. And this is, the package is quite nice. You can see there's a bit of more information here about the particular aircraft. As you can see, the manufacturer and the length and everything. And here is more details about the meters, the length and the height. I think that's all. Okay, so it says this is the front bit. It says the Dreamliner there on top, and it says Boeing 787-9, and it's Norwegian, and then the aircraft picture is there. And this, it says, it's for every child, a childhood, and Norwegian proudly supports UNICEF. And then it says here 1-400 scale. So this is the one I usually collect, the aircraft model, and this is the licensed product from Boeing. So let's open this model. Okay, it's nicely packed. Check this out. Okay, as you can see, it's a beautiful model, very highly detailed model. So you can see the aircraft reg is there as well, and you can't see it probably, it's too small. And then it says all the information here: for every child, a childhood, Norwegian proudly support UNICEF. And then you can see the SATCOM on top of it here, and then antennas there, and then they've got some antennas below there. You can see the engines are Rolls-Royce Trent 1000. So trouble engines at the moment. And this is, you can see norwegian.com. It says on the tail, and it says Dreamliner just below, and then the aircraft reg, which is Golf Charlie Kilo Lima Zulu. And this aircraft apparently is being changed now. The registration has been changed to Lima November Tango now. And it's been changed on 10th of September 2018. So it's very recently it's been changed. You can see the belly, it says norwegian.com. And then this is the tail bit. It's very nicely done. Such a beautiful model. Always wanted to collect it, but I finally found it. It's very hard to find on eBay. As you can see, there's more information down there. The wings. Very nicely done, beautiful model. You can see the top bit. Very nice, very beautiful model. The landing gears are rollable. So this model is come from JC Wings. JC Wings have been doing a really nice models lately, and the mold is really good. The quality is amazing. So I highly recommend to get it from them as well. As you can see the engines here, you can see the details on it. Sorry, I'm trying to zoom it, focus on it, but it's not very good. Oh no. Okay, as you can see here, It's Rolls-Royce, lost again, and then chevron there. The color is amazing. It's beautiful aircraft. Let's put this back here. Right guys, again, if you liked my video, please don't forget to subscribe, share, and comments below, and tell me how you like this video. This was my very first video of unboxing this beautiful aircraft model, and if you want me to do more video, please let me know in the comments below. If I missed something out, please let me know as well. I'll try to take some time out from my roster, and then I'll sit down and do the video for you guys, and I'll share as much information as I can. For now, for next time, hopefully see you soon. Thank you very much for watching. Take care and happy flighting. Bye bye.